Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will see how we can easily download our Jupyter notebook in different formats. Okay, so here is our Jupyter notebook opened on localhost, that is a web application. We created the following first notebook and it's on the desktop. Here you can see it's on the desktop, Amit Python first notebook.ipynb. So I just need to download this basic notebook just for an example. Using this web application Jupyter notebook, we can easily download any notebook in .ipynb, the default notebook format, .py, .html, .pdf, .md, that is the markdown, and other file extensions. How? Just go to file, herein click on download as. So let's say I want to download it using HTML, I'll click on HTML, that's it. And it will download it. Okay. You can directly click on open here and the HTML format will open. If you want to send someone, you can easily send it. Now if you want to download file, download as markdown format. I hope you know what is a markdown format. Here it is. Now you can right click and open it in markdown format after downloading. Here it got opened under markdown format. So it will open in your default ID. It opened for us in VS Code. And you can check the format. Okay, with that let's say I'll open it, download it in our ipynb, the notebook basic format. It will get downloaded in the same way. If you'll right click and show in folder, so here it is visible in ipynb format. You can also import it later. With that, I'll go to file and download as .py extension. Now it will download in a similar way. I'll right click and show in folder. So everything got saved here. If you want, you can check it. You can open it with notepad to check it. So .py extension, all the code is visible with proper formatting. In the same way, you can open .md also in your notepad. Here it is. I'm just showing it here. You can see. With that, you can also open your first notebook we saw before. When I'll open it in another app, let's say I'll open it in my notepad to just check the code. Here it is. Double click and you can see it automatically created the complete file for our notebook. Okay, which I just opened it. Here it is visible here in your HTML format. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily download a Jupyter notebook from the web application using any of these with any of these file extensions. Thank you for watching the video.